Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add places to visit on the Wanderlog application to your trip plan. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then click on trip plans and tap on your trip. After that, click on overview in the middle of the screen. And now scroll down to the places to visit section, and here you can see a bunch of recommended places that you can add by simply tapping on the plus icon next to it, and then it will be added to this section. As you can see, you can also search for new places by typing it into this search bar. Tap on it and then it will be added. Here you can see them. You can also tap on this notes button next to the add the place box and add your notes here. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.